Have you ever wondered how much time you spend on online meetings during a week or a day? Well, there's an easy way to get those insights through Krisp. And in this short video, I'll show you exactly how to get them. First off, log into your Krisp account through the app or online by visiting account.krisp.ai. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Insight tab, which is right next to Home on your account page. From there, select your preferred date range, and you'll be able to review the daily average time spent in online meetings with a visual comparison to the previous period. By hovering over the graph, you'll be able to see exactly how many hours you've been busy in meetings throughout the week. Right next to the graph, you can also review all the apps you've used with Krisp. And just a reminder, Krisp can be used with over 800 conferencing, recording, streaming, and other communication apps. And you can learn how to set up more apps by clicking the button below the graph. We hope these insights will help you get a better overview of your online meeting schedule. If you have any questions, please drop us a message at support.krisp.ai and we'll gladly help you out. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next video.